Tonight we're gonna do a special soap. We got extra hands today. I have my one of my teenagers here. She is. What are you doing?
I'm your only teenager.
Your sister's a teenager too.
Oh,
she
yeah, that's
is.
true.
Okay, she's
No,
been a
she's
teenager
too
for
old.
Okay, anyway, what are we doing today?
We're gonna be making soap.
Why?
We're gonna be making care packages for a local women's health crisis center.
Safehouse Crisis Center.
Yeah,
yes.
Safehouse Crisis Center, and for NHS.
Yeah, so Sydney is going to do a project. She's in National Honor Society, and she has to do an individual project as well as a group project. So for her individual project, she's going to be doing some care packages for a local Safehouse Crisis Center, and I'm going to donate some soap, and she's going to make some soap to donate as well. So we're going to be using, these are called Ton Skinny Bars. So they'll be a little bit smaller than what I usually have because I donated in the past, and they're kind of like the smaller bars because you can serve more people. So the fragrances we're going to be using is Blackcurrant. This is from Nature's Love, and there's not a full 4 ounce in there, so we're going to mix in a little bit of Sugar Plum Fairy, and just do a basic Activate Charcoal for the color. So I've kind of broken down what we're doing with Sydney. I'm going to give her some more guidance and kind of show her what traces. We're going to go to a thin trace, and then we'll go ahead and add the Activate Charcoal and blend that in and put the fragrance in, and then do a quick pour. Okay? You ready?
Yes. Okay.